Hi everyone and welcome. In this video I would like to show you how you can download and install Git Bash on your Windows machine. So the first thing that you need to do is go to your preferred browser and in the search window type in download Git Bash or download Git Bash for Windows. You'd likely see the first link as this one, so click on that, then click on Windows. From here, if you have a 32-bit machine, click on the first installer. If you have a 64-bit machine, click on the second one. In case you're not sure which one you have, you can quickly search for My PC and then go to Properties. And in here, in the system type, you will be able to see your operating system type. So in my case, it's 64-bit. So I'm going to go with the 64-bit installer. Once the download has completed, click on this file over here and show this in folder, and then right click and go to properties. In case this file is blocked, just click on this unblock icon and click on OK, and then you can run this file either as an administrator or just as a normal user. Then follow along with the guidelines. I'd pretty much be selecting the default ones for everything. Unless you want some modifications of any sort, you can choose other settings, but the default ones should work like a charm. Just click on next for everything and Git will now install on your system. Right, so the installation should take anywhere between 5 to 20 seconds depending on your system. Once the installation completes, you'll see a pop-up like this. From here, I'm going to uncheck the View Release Notes option and check the Launch Git Bash option and then click on Finish. Doing so will give me this terminal window. If I type in Git over here, or let's say if I want to check the version of Git, I can use this command and I can see Git is now installed. Now, if you want to search for this terminal again, you can simply just go to search and type in Git, and you will see Git Bash option right over here. Git Bash also comes with a GUI option. In case you are interested in that, you can type in Git GUI in the search, and you will get this application. From here, you can create a new repository, clone existing repositories, open existing repositories right from the GUI essentially. If you're interested in something more robust, but also that has a user interface, you can also try out GitHub Desktop. The video for that should be showing in the top right corner right now. Thank you for watching, and if you liked the video, drop a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.